Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 best natural freshwater spots in Thailand. Get ready to be amazed by these stunning landscapes. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your guy from Family Trip. We're back with another adventure, and this time, we're diving deep into the heart of Thailand. Not the beaches, not the temples, but the freshwater paradises that'll blow your mind. We're talking waterfalls that cascade down like liquid emerald, hidden lagoons tucked away in limestone cliffs, and jungles so dense you'd swear they hold ancient secrets. We're talking about the kind of places that make you want to ditch the itinerary, throw your phone in the lake, don't actually do that, and just soak it all in. This isn't your typical tourist trap, guys. This is the real deal. So strap in, grab your virtual mosquito repellent, and get ready to explore the top 5 freshwater spots in Thailand that'll have you booking a plane ticket faster than you can say pad thai. First up, we're hitting up Erawan National Park, home to the legendary Erawan waterfall. Now, I've seen my fair share of waterfalls, but this one's special. Picture this. 7 tiers of cascading water, each one flowing into these vibrant emerald green pools. You heard that right, emerald green? It's like something out of a fairy tale. The water gets its crazy color from the mineral deposits in the rocks, and let me tell you, it's mesmerizing. You can spend hours here just swimming in the cool, clear water, hiking through the jungle trails and soaking up the pure magic of this place. We spent a full day exploring Erawan, and trust me, it wasn't enough. We started at the bottom, working our way up each tier, and each one was more impressive than the last. The higher you climb, the more secluded the pools get. And the views? Don't even get me started on the views. We're talking panoramic jungle vistas that stretch on forever. It's the kind of place that makes you feel small in the best way possible. But the real highlight? Swimming in the very top pool, right under the cascading falls. It's like getting a natural water massage, and the feeling is indescribable. Erawan Waterfall isn't just a waterfall, it's an experience. It's a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of nature, and it's a must-see for anyone visiting Thailand. Taking beauty. Chapter 3, Hwai Mae Common Waterfall, the Sound of Serenity. Okay, I know what you're thinking, another waterfall, but trust me on this one, this isn't just any waterfall. Hwai Mae Common Waterfall, tucked away in Kuyan Srinagarindra National Park, is a hidden gem that deserves its own spotlight. While Erawan might be the popular kid in school, Hwai Mae Common is the quiet achiever, the one who lets its beauty speak for itself. This multi-tiered waterfall cascades down a series of limestone terraces, creating a series of inviting pools that are perfect for swimming. The water here is crystal clear, and the surrounding jungle is alive with the sounds of nature. Birds chirping, leaves rustling, and the gentle hum of insects create a symphony of serenity. What sets Hwai Mae Common apart is its tranquility. Because it's less crowded than Erawan, you can truly immerse yourself in the peace and quiet of the rainforest. We spent hours here, hiking the trails, swimming in the cool water, and just enjoying the serenity of this special place. It's a perfect spot to unwind and let go of all your worries. One of the best things about Hwai Mae Common is the variety of swimming holes. Whether you're looking for a gentle dip in a shallow pool or a thrilling jump from a rocky ledge, there's something here for everyone. Families, adventurers, and solitude seekers alike will find their perfect spot. And because the water is so clear, you can see the fish swimming around your feet. It's like having your own personal aquarium. The fish are friendly and curious, adding to the magical experience. Hwai Mae Common is a reminder that sometimes the most rewarding experiences are the ones that are off the beaten path. It's a place to escape the crowds, reconnect with nature, and find your own little slice of paradise. Here, you can truly appreciate the beauty and tranquility that nature has to offer. Chapter 4, Khao Sok National Park, where the jungle reigns supreme. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter a whole other world. Khao Sok National Park. This place is a jungle lover's dream come true. We're talking dense, ancient rainforest that's teeming with life. The sheer variety of plants and animals here is mind-boggling. Think towering trees that stretch up to the sky, their branches draped with vines and creepers. It's like stepping into a scene from a nature documentary. Think exotic birds with vibrant plumage flitting through the undergrowth. Their songs fill the air, creating a symphony of natural sounds. Think hidden waterfalls cascading down moss-covered rocks. These secluded spots are perfect for a refreshing dip. Khao Sok is one of the oldest rainforests in the world, and it shows. The age of this place adds a layer of mystique and wonder. There's a sense of history here, of ancient wisdom and untamed wilderness. Every tree, every rock seems to have a story to tell. We spent our time in Khao Sok exploring the jungle trails, kayaking down the Sok River, and soaking up the incredible biodiversity of this special place. Each activity offered a unique perspective on the park's natural beauty. We saw monkeys swinging through the trees, hornbills soaring overhead, and even a few shy gibbons. The wildlife here is both abundant and diverse. One of the coolest things about Khao Sok is the opportunity to stay in a treehouse lodge. These eco-friendly lodges are built high up in the rainforest canopy, offering stunning views of the surrounding jungle. It's like living in a tree but with all the comforts of home. We spent a night in one and it was an unforgettable experience. The sense of being so close to nature was both thrilling and calming. Imagine falling asleep to the sounds of the jungle, surrounded by the sights and smells of the rainforest. The nocturnal symphony of insects and animals is a lullaby like no other. It's like sleeping in the heart of nature itself, a truly immersive experience that connects you deeply with the environment. Khao Sok National Park is a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. It's a sanctuary for those seeking adventure and tranquility. It's a place to challenge yourself, explore your limits and connect with nature on a deeper level. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a nature enthusiast, Khao Sok offers something truly special for everyone.